Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the future of AI versus humanity. So, buckle up, and let's explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. You know, when it comes to the future of AI versus humanity, there's a lot of speculation and uncertainty. Some people believe that AI will eventually surpass human intelligence, while others think that we'll always have the upper hand. But here's the thing, we're not just talking about a battle of the brains. It's about the potential impact of AI on our lives, our jobs, and our world. So, let's take a closer look at some of the key factors that could shape this epic showdown. First up, we have the speed of AI. Machines can process information and make decisions at lightning-fast speeds, far exceeding our human capabilities. This could give AI an edge in areas like decision-making and problem-solving. Next, let's talk about the sheer amount of data that AI can access and analyze. With the vast amount of information available at their fingertips, AI systems could potentially outperform humans in areas like pattern recognition and decision-making. But wait, there's more! AI's ability to learn and adapt is another game-changer. Machines can learn from their mistakes and improve over time, making them more efficient and effective. Now, let's not forget about the human factor. Our creativity, empathy, and ability to adapt to new situations are some of our strongest suits. We can think outside the box, and we have the ability to empathize with others, which is crucial in many aspects of life. So, what does this all mean for the future of AI versus humanity? Well, it's important to remember that AI is not a threat to humanity, but rather a tool that can enhance our lives. It's up to us to harness its power for good and use it to improve our lives and the world around us. In conclusion, the future of AI versus humanity is an exciting and complex topic. While AI has some impressive advantages, we must remember that our human qualities are what truly set us apart. So, let's embrace this technology and use it to make our lives better, not replace us. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.